This Yardman thing. Roasted breadfruit. Sweet potato, Yardman style though. Yardman sweet potato. Hold on. Aki and saltfish. Real Yardman thing this. Real Yardman thing. And this is what we call Jamaican Yardman porridge. Oatmeal porridge, Yardman style. This is what you call a Yardman breakfast. Real Yardman thing this. Look at God. Look at God. Look how beautiful this is. Look at God. This God. Good morning, baby. Aside.
Careful with Daddy's shoe.
That boy. Look how beautiful, man. I want to say good morning to everybody out there. God is the greatest. I'm with my family. Having the best time ever. Aside. Hey, boy.
Oh, Daddy.
Yes, boy, Daddy.
Oh.
Look at God. Good morning. Good morning. What you getting that yoga on? That's right, baby. Yardman this. Yardman this. Yardman fish. Pure Yardman vibe this. You know I love water. When I seen this, I had to drink this. It's not water, it's water. Yardman ting this. Water. This Yardman ting. Roasted breadfruit. Sweet potato, Yardman style though. Yardman sweet potato. Hold on. Aki and saltfish. Real Yardman ting this. Real Yardman ting. And this is what we call Jamaican Yardman porridge. Oatmeal porridge, Yardman style. This is what you call a Yardman breakfast. Real Yardman ting this.